Okay, so guys, good evening, everyone. Hope you're good. You're doing good, everyone. How are you? So, as we know, today we are starting our introductory course in base SAS, and it will be taken by Mr. Ashok Chakravarti. He is our course director, and course is actually planned for 2 to 3 months. Every week, 4 to 6 hours of learning, and in that, previously we decided to take classes on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But after consulting a few of you who has Friday as a working day, and it will be tough for Saturday and Friday, both of the days joining at 6 to 8 after your working hours. So we thought to conduct classes only on Saturday and Sunday. So now maybe 2 more weeks extra it will take to complete the course. But yes, I think with the easy and slow process, you will learn, and you will get everything whatever is possible, and whatever is required from our side, from syllabus, from all the syllabus what we are covering, and software download, software installation, and our course director will be teaching you about how to run SPSS, and how to do statistics and analysis in SPSS, and how to prepare reports and everything. So syllabus you must have seen in our browser, but again the syllabus I will share in the group as well, the weekly syllabus. So you will have an idea about a syllabus, and what we are going to cover, and what you are going to get next week, and how to do, and your practice sessions and everything. Ashok will tell you about the practices, and about the assignments, about the assessments, and you have to do the practice, and you have to keep the software in your laptops. So in today's class, introductory class, you will know how to download the university version of SAS and all. So without delaying this session, I will just introduce our course director, who will be taking your classes, who will be taking you through the SAS course, complete SAS course. Mr. Ashok Chakravarti, he is a clinical SAS programmer in industry, in Clientica Service LLP, Hyderabad, and he will be taking all the classes. He is actually pharmacy from Visakhapatnam, JNTU. And after that, he is having expertise in SAS base, and SAS 9.4 and macros, and SAS ODS base SQL, and almost all the versions of SAS. So you can clear your doubts with him anytime, and he'll be taking your live classes. So at the end of class or in between, if you have any doubts, you can ask him. And then we have Dr. Tarun. He is our director at CliMed Research Solutions. So he's another SAS expert. He will be resolving your queries timely. If you have any queries, you can reach to us in the group, because in the group we have Ashok, and we have Tarun, and I'm there. So you can reach out anytime to us for your any queries, right? So without delaying, I will just request Dr. Tarun to start, and then Dr. Ashok to begin the session. Hi, Dr. Tarun.
Thank you, Rajat. First of all, I would just want to confirm, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes. So only for today, Mr. Ashok is with me. So we'll be doing the session from this laptop.
Okay.
Okay. So shall we begin, or are we waiting for some more people to join?
No. I think we are ready to begin.
Okay. For today's class, I just want to take the intro of all the students, and then we will see how to download the software, and after that we will talk about a little bit about SAS, And if you have any questions, you can ask us. So it will be more of an interactive session today. Okay. So
Yes.
with the help
Guys,
of you,
one more recommendation from
yeah, please go
yes.
ahead.
So one more recommendation from my side. You better take all the classes in your computer. So it will be easy for you to understand. It will be easy for you to cope up with the class, and whatever we are teaching, whatever Dr. Tarun and whatever Ashok is teaching, you can practice immediately in your computer, and you can try in your computer. So practice with the teacher is a perfect way to learn always. So that would be very important. And yes, I will introduce myself. You know me, Dr. Ajit Singh, the CEO and co-founder at CliMed Research Solutions, and Dr. Karun and Ashok I've already introduced. So this let's start with you guys. So you just tell us your name and your college and which year you are pursuing, and what is your motto
What are your
behind
expectations?
joining this course, and what are your expectations? Yes, that's very important. What are your expectations from us? Okay, so who's going to start, or shall we call by names?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay, so we'll call from the back side, from the down of the list. Tirtha, please introduce yourself. Tirtha Patel.
Good evening, sir. I am Tirtha Patel and I am studying in the 5th year from Sumandip Vidyapeeth, Vadodara.
Okay.
And I saw the brochure and I thought that it will be something new and interesting to learn. I was really looking forward to attend the classes so that I think it will be beneficial to me in future and to all of the people who are attending it.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Susmita Raj.
Myself, Shushmita. I'm from Bangalore, and my college is Acharya B.M. Reddy College of Pharmacy. I'm in the final year of PharmD. I'm doing internship at right now. I just wanted to learn this course, so I joined. That's all. And I have very little knowledge about this course. No much idea about it.
Okay. Sanjana.
Good evening, sir, and this is Sanjana, and I'm in 4th year of PharmD, sir, at Andhra University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vizag. And same, sir, I do have any knowledge, don't have any knowledge in this. So it will be benefit in the future.
No worries. Nikhil. Nikhil, you're not audible. Not audible, Nikhil.
It's okay. You can type in the chat box, Nikhil.
Okay, no problem. We can go. You can type in the chat box, Nikhil. Yeah.
Next,
Niharika. Niharika. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I'm GS Niharika. I'm in Bangalore. I'm also from Acharya and B.M. Reddy College of Pharmacy. I learned that this course will help me in for career. And right now I'm in my final year of PharmD.
Okay. Great.
You and Susmita are classmates.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Meghana. Okay, you guys can talk. You guys can, if you're not audible, you can just put your name, college name, and what are expectations in the chat box, or college name, right? That would be okay, I think. Joseph Prince.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Joseph Prince. I'm from Annamalai University, Chidambaram, currently doing my PharmD 5th year. I expect to learn from this course to attend the SAS certification exam and hopefully pass and pursue a career as a clinical SAS program.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, Jayanti Gautam.
Hi, I'm Jayanti Gautam. I'm a second year MBBS student at KSA Medical Academy, and I heard that this course would be beneficial for building up my CV, so I decided joining this course.
Yes.
Did you say you're second year student?
Yes.
Second year MBBS.
Oh, okay.
No, definitely, I will add on to this. Yes, for MBBS people, who are into research and who are preparing for, who are looking for UML, it is one of the fantastic course to, strengthen your CV and to learn about the research. Because in US, they, they give the weightage to your research skills and how much you are pro in the research. And if you get some publications done as well, and you have the good knowledge of biostatistics, then it will be easy for you, because they ask many questions in that, and it will be definitely strengthen your CV in that manner. Definitely. Thank you. Sabah. Okay, so I think people have written here. Nikhil Mishra, PharmD graduate from University Jaipur. Okay, he has experience in SPSS. Okay, but yeah, okay, so he wants to be skillful in SAS also. Good.
Good evening, sir. I am Sabha from St. Paul's College of Pharmacy, Hyderabad. Now I am studying a family intern, and I'm interested to learn this clinical SAS as well as SPSS, so I joined.
Yes.
Thank you,
great.
sir.
Thank you. Okay, so I think Meghana and who left? I think Meghana only left to introduce. He can write in the chat box, and I think we should start. Ashok, what you say? Shall we?
Sure, we can start.
Yes, great. So I'll just keep off my keep my video and voice off to avoid the disturbances.
Okay, sure. Yeah, hi everyone. This is Ashok. I am the one who take the classes over from now onwards, and eventually I think we will be covering everything related to base. And also, Ajit, have you shared the schedule to the students?
No.
Ajit? Okay. Have you got?
Yes. I'm just sharing it because I was doing it into the, I was converting into the weekly basis, like week-wise.
Okay.
Right now I will share this, the raw version. Wait.
We will show them what the topics we are going to cover.
Can you share the screen?
Yeah, once.
Yeah, you can share the screen with that. Yes, that would be great, I think. But I will also share this in the group. Yeah. Yes, that was shared.
Yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yes, it is visible. Yes.
Yeah. These are the topics we are going to cover. I just gave a tentative of 60 hours. It's not the fixed one. We will go slowly, eventually by concept wise. If you couldn't understand or if you couldn't able to do any progression on it, we will extend that also. Not an issue. It's not an 60 hours fixed for us. We will work on it. But these are the topics we are going to cover entirely in this base point of view. Here, this is the introductory part in this and the data statement part, in-file statement parts, and the input statement, the attributes, the conditional statements, combining data sets, functions, and also other statements. And coming to the reporting procedures, like a proc report, proc tablet, and also the proc print. And coming to the procedures, we will go to proc importing procedure, proc export, proc contents, proc compare procedure, proc append, proc copy. The proc format, proc means summary, freak, transpose, sort, proc options, proc univariate, ODS output delivery system, do loops, arrays. This we are going to cover in this entire base SAS topics. These are the topics, and eventually we will go one by one slowly. We are having a lot of time. The first and the foremost thing what we have to take into consideration means after the completion of the session, you should practice. Here the SAS, if you think that it's easy, but if when it will be easy means if you practice daily to the extent of 1 hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, based upon your time feasibility. In order to learn the clinical SAS, you need to be good in SAS base, because this is the basic and fundamental step. The step what we have to do in the learning of clinical point, because if we are strong in this base SAS, it will be very useful in the coding part of a clinical point, because whatever the things you learn here or what are the things you achieve here, that will be implemented in the clinical point, because this is the basement. If basement is strong, we can build a large infrastructure on that. If the basement is not that much strong, we cannot move further. My suggestion is to focus more on these topics. Just if you in the initial steps, we will face a little difficulty because we are from the science background. Here it will be some coding part, so it will be somewhat not relevant to us, but eventually by practicing daily we will get habituated and we will get very interested. Basically this is the easiest language as I know present in the market. This is the fourth generation. If you work hard, you will achieve and you will have a good idea on this. And this is if coming to this, it's the first. This is the fourth generation as the SAS is. The third generation is C++, Java, Net, that will be coming, and the second generation is C, and the first generation is COBOL. And coming to this, we will keep our efforts 100%. We will teach everything to the extent that you will be in a position to achieve the base as certification point of view also. And also not only that, we will provide 100% assurance for you to that you will succeed in not only in a certification point but also in uh, not also in certification but also in industry point of view also, because you are the students that are most of them are from pharmacy background, that is final year I think so. So if you are in a key position or in a good position, I can refer you some of the guys to the industry, and also I can give an opportunity to work in the industry also. So the thing I'm to say is that what are the efforts we are keeping, the double efforts you have to keep, because as we are having a knowledge on this SAS, for us it is easy only, but you are as a learner, as a fresher point of view, you have to uh, focus more on it, and also you have to download the software. That is nothing but we are actually the SAS software costs very much, uh, 1 lakh like that, that we cannot bear. So that the alternative point of us to practice the SAS is the university edition. We will provide all the stuff, how to download, how to install the software, everything we will provide from us in today's session. After that, from tomorrow onwards, we will go on to the basic stuff, how the programming point looks. I will also show the appearance of the university edition, and also I will give some of the inputs from where we will be taking, and what all the editor windows we are having, and if you where we have to write the program, and where we have to see that it is executed or not, and also the errors what we have been producing, and everything I will go through it in today's session. And also the most important thing is I will teach you one of the topic in the weekends, um, and I will assign some of the task to also, so that you can practice to the entire and to the entire week also. If you are having any doubts regarding that, you can contact directly to Tarun or me also. Also they have provided with the WhatsApp group also, so you can also post your doubts or queries or anything you can post there. We will respond you in any time. And also while teaching, you can note down the notes also. I will say the important points you can note down, but at the end of the session, or by the end of the week, I will share the topic that I have covered with the material also. You are not worried about that. I will provide everything to you. The thing in a Word document I will provide. And also the thing you have to do is just on not only listening, just you have to practice on it. Mm, Here, if you practice more, you will be in a handful position to answer it. And this, I will share this document. Ajit will share this document to everyone, so that
Now it is shared in the group.
Yeah, sure. Uh, Thank you, Ajit. And you can follow this. I can add some of the topics also, if it is necessary also. And also I will provide the real time scenarios into this topics also. Uh, and the thing and also we will provide some of the test in weekly, I think within couple of weeks, like every 2 weeks, we will provide some assignments or test papers, so that you will know at which position you are, and also you can improve yourself by that. And also we will provide 100% assurance that after the completion of course, you will be in a position that you will be a competitor to another person also, I think so, to the fresher. As I said, it will be helpful to write the certification point also by this course. And I will provide the certification materials and what are the topics you should practice, and what are the topics you should be thorough with, and also the certification point of assignments I will also provide eventually in the coming days. Uh, and coming to today's session, we will go with the software downloading point only today. And after that, I will show the how after installation of the software, and also the uh, windows, what are that are present in that. I will go through it once. 1 second, I will show the part. Can you able to see my screen? Google.
Yes, we are.
Yes. This is the first step in the downloading of the university edition. If you see here, means it's clearly showing that first we have to go in the Google, we have to type as a SAS university edition. After that, it will be displaying like this, like SAS university edition download installation guide. For if you are using the Mac, you can select with that. If you are using with the Linux point of view, you can select. If you are going with the Windows point, you can select here. Yes.
Yeah. So 1 second. So guys, one information here. You can, if you are not operating today in the laptop, better you use in laptop. Otherwise, you note down all the steps. Of course, recordings will be there for you, but better you go with the flow whenever our teacher is teaching. That time you make the notes or make the flow that how to download and how to go to that step. Step wise. That would be amazing to learn, and that would be easy to learn. Yes, thank you. Ashok, please go ahead, please.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Ajit, you are very right. So today, if you are not able to download, don't worry. Try it at home, and then if you have any issues, we'll discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay. Anyway, while Mr. Ashok is teaching the class, you better focus on the class and take some notes. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Once you finish the class, you have the whole week to practice, right? So while he's teaching the class, try to focus on the class and try taking some notes. That's all. Okay, no need to worry with, have to have a laptop and do running practice. Don't worry, just listen to the concepts, and then after you finish the class, yeah, and also you will be provided with the material of that particular sessions. Okay. Both
Yeah.
recordings as well as the Word document. Okay.
And to cope up with that class, or to go with the Ashok, you will be having the recording sessions, so you can go with that, and you can try practicing later at home on your laptop.
Yes.
Because while teaching, you focus more on teaching only, not on the notes or anything, because everything is recorded and everything will be provided to you. Because focus more on the topic I was about to say, or while teaching only. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class or the next session also.
Okay. So coming to this installation or first thing is you need to select whatever the OS you are using. So I'm using Windows, so I'll be selecting Windows. If you go down, there will be a 4-step process here. Everything is very well explained in this particular website. Okay, if you see, the first step is setup. Okay, since this is a web based software, it's not like the software will be on our desktop, so it is a web based software. So whatever you're doing, it will be on the web browser. So that is the reason they ask us to download a virtual box first. Okay, so let's see how it goes.
And also you need the internet connection while working.
Yeah.
Because it's a web based. No, it's not installed in our systems.
Yeah. So here the first step is to download the virtual box. So I'll click on this. Okay, and then I'll go. Yeah, Windows host. So we'll be getting this download file. So let's go back. Are you able to see the screen, virtual box download, or still you're on the same page?
We are able to see, sir.
Right, correct.
You're ready to install SAS University Edition. The first step is to set up. You need to download virtualization software and create a couple of folders on your computer. We'll start with the virtualization software. SAS University Edition is a virtual application, or VApp, so you need virtualization software to run it. You can download Oracle VirtualBox, a free virtualization software package. Just select the download link under Step 1. SAS University Edition also works with VMware virtualization software. If you prefer to use VMware, there's a link to that as well. While the virtualization software downloads, create a folder named SAS University Edition, no spaces, on your local computer. It doesn't matter where you create it, just be sure to create it in a location that you'll remember. Then create a subfolder within the SAS University Edition folder called My Folders. Again, no spaces. You'll save all of your SAS University Edition files to this location.
Okay, so once you selected the download VirtualBox, parallelly you will create a folder anywhere in your on your desktop. Okay, just create a folder with the name SAS University Edition. Within that folder, again create a subfolder with the name My Folders. Make sure it has no spaces.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you repeat it again, sir?
Okay, sure. So see, the first thing is setup, right? We are going to download the virtual box. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once we select the Windows, we scroll down and then we click on the first button, that is setup. During the setup process, we are going to download the virtual box. It will hardly take around 1 minute to download this virtual box. Okay.
Yes, sir.
While this is happening, you create a folder on your desktop.
Okay.
With the name SAS University Edition. I will show you just give me a second.
Tarun, how did you download VirtualBox?
Just click on the
download link what they have provided.
Okay.
No, in the next page. In the next page.
Yeah, once you click here, download, you'll open. You get to the next page, right? This page.
Yeah. Yes.
Here we have this Windows.
Windows host, OS X host, like that we are having.
We
have
click
to
on
click
the
on Windows.
Okay, we have to click on the Windows host. Okay.
After this,
once this is happening, we will create a folder in our desktop. I will show just a second. Can you see this screen? SAS University Edition. I have already created and downloaded, so I am just showing how I created this folder.
Okay.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can just create a new folder and name it as SAS University Edition without any spaces. Once you create this, open it and then again create another folder called as My Folders within the SAS University Edition folder. Okay, that's it. We'll come to that later. After this, we'll see what we have to do. Okay, that is the first step.
Okay.
Okay, then once this is done, we will go to the second step, that is actually downloading the software, the SAS University Edition app. Okay, so we'll see this video.
Now that you've downloaded virtualization software and created the My Folders folder, you're ready to download the SAS University Edition V app. Just click the Get SAS University Edition button under Step 2. I'll log in with my SAS profile and accept the terms and conditions of the license agreement. If you're a new user, you'll need to create a profile. On the order summary page, click the download link and the download will begin. If your browser prompts you to save or run the file, select Save to save the file in your Downloads directory. Be patient. This is a large file, and depending on your internet connection, it might take a while to download. Grab a snack, text a friend, read a book. It will be done before you know it. And remember, you're getting the world's most powerful analytics software. It's worth the wait.
Okay, so now here, as they said, we click on this button, right? Get SAS University Edition. So I clicked. What happened? Okay. At this step, you need to create a profile in order to sign in. Okay. Since I am already signed in and logged in, so I'm getting this prompt. But most of you, I am guessing that you haven't created a profile. So let's create a profile by clicking here. Okay. Just fill all this, boxes. Okay. You can click a student or anything here. Country, India, and state, email address. Okay. You can click CliMed here, no problem. Finally, you select these checkboxes and then click create profile. Once you do that, you will get an email for the activation of your profile. Okay.
Is this clear or are you having any doubt?
Shall I explain again?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, after installing this virtual box,
yes,
they are giving that next we have to welcome to Oracle VM virtual box 6.1 118 setup wizard. If we are doing next, then we have to do next, sir. Means completely we have to install.
Yeah, you can Wait, yeah, you can. Okay, did you open that file? Yeah, okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
next, yeah. Next, yeah. Keep on doing that next. Finally, what is happening?
Sir, they are giving one warning. Network interfaces. Installing the ORED VM VirtualBox 6.118 networking feature will restart your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network.
Yeah, no
Proceed.
worries. No worries. Yeah, no worries. Proceed.
Okay. Then here they are giving like install. Click install to begin in installation.
Yeah, click install.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So once that is done, it will be there in your laptop. So we'll go on to the second step. That is actual downloading of the software. Okay. Yeah, we'll click this. Yeah. Yeah, as I said, you have to create a profile. Once you create a profile, you have to then activate your email. Then maybe you have to create a login password as well. Okay. Once you do that, it will take time. Okay. Once you do that, then again come back to this page. Again, click the get your SAS University Edition, and then now you can sign in. Okay. Are you able to follow? Once you create a profile and password, then you're in a position to sign in. So come back to this page and then you enter your email ID and password. Okay. Okay. So once you are logged in, you will get this page again. So in your email, you will get a link. Okay, you have to click on that link. Then automatically, once you click that link, you will your SAS University Edition will start downloading there. Okay. See, you can see on the bottom left of my page. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Like this, you will also get this notification. So only thing is they want you to log in, right, with your credentials.
Yeah, you can use your mail ID or anything.
Yeah. So in order to do that, you have to create a profile. Okay. That's all. So since I have already gone through all of this, I will pause. Okay, and I will go on to the next step. Okay. So the third step is configure. So if you are clear here, I will play this video. Okay. Let's see.
Now that you've downloaded your virtualization software and the SAS University Edition V app, you're ready to configure your software. You first need to import SAS University Edition into VirtualBox. Launch VirtualBox and select File, Import Appliance. In the Import Virtual Appliance window, click the folder icon. In the File Browser window, navigate to the Downloads folder and select the SAS University Edition.ova file and click Open. Click Next. In the Appliance Settings window, click Import. Now you need to share your My Folders folder with VirtualBox. In VirtualBox, select the SAS University Edition V app. Select Machine, Settings. In the navigation pane, select Shared Folders, and then click the Add Folder icon. In the Add Share window, select Other as the folder path. In the Select Folder window, open the SAS University Edition folder and then select the My Folder subfolder. Click Select Folder. In the Add Share window, confirm that Read Only is not selected. Select Auto Mount. If Make Permanent is available, select that option as well and click OK. Click OK to close the settings window.
Okay. So
Do you got any idea?
yeah, I know this is a bit confusing, but once you are here, now the only thing is they are trying to configure the V app into the virtual box. It's like integrating both of them so that you can start using the software. So if you are having any problem after the step 2, just play this video and just
software and the
exactly follow these steps. Okay.
SAS University. Select the SAS University.
Then in the final step, we will show you, they are going to show you how to use the software.
You ready to start SAS University Edition? You must perform the next set of steps each time you want to use SAS University Edition. First, start the SAS University Edition V app. Open VirtualBox and select the SAS University Edition V app. Then select Machine, Start. It might take a few minutes for the virtual machine to start. When the virtual machine is running, the screen with the SAS logo is replaced with a black console screen called the Welcome window. This Welcome window contains information about starting SAS University Edition and includes a URL. You can minimize the window, but don't close it until you're ready to end your SAS session. Now you're ready to open SAS University Edition. Using a web browser on your local computer, enter the URL that's displayed in the Welcome console, http://localhost:10080. The SAS University Edition Information Center appeared. You might want to bookmark this URL in your browser. One last thing to do. Just click Start SAS Studio.
Yes, Nikhil, can you share the screen? Ajit, can you give the access to share the screen?
I have given access to him. You have to wait. He can share the screen. Multiple screens can be shared.
Okay. I think only Nikhil is using Mac. All others are having Windows, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Though Windows, it should not be a problem. For Mac, it might be a little different. So let's see. What is the issue? So are you anyone of you trying to download right now for Windows?
Yes, Tarun, I'm getting. Yes, I was trying. So where to download this software? Actually, software is now in the downloading phase. It is asking to save. We have to save it. University Edition folder.
No. Just let it be in the downloads only. Okay. After the download, when you go to the third step, configure. Just follow these steps.
Now that you've downloaded your virtual software in the SAS University Edition V app, you're ready to configure.
So it's like basically now we are going to integrate both of them.
We'll merge both of them.
So our downloaded file will be in the downloads only.
Your software. You first need to import SAS University Edition into VirtualBox.
Right.
Launch VirtualBox and select File.
Remember, we have installed the VirtualBox, right? In the first step, that we have to click. You have to start.
File, import appliance. And select File, import appliance. In the Import Virtual Appliance window, click the folder icon. In the File Browser window, navigate to the Downloads folder and select the SAS.
Ajit, are you able to follow?
But it is not downloaded yet, right? It's just 0.5 on 1.2 GB is downloaded.
Yes, yeah, that is what it will take time. So if you are not able to do it today, it's okay. Try it, and
As we are sharing,
just follow these steps.
Yeah, I'm looking at this. No problem. Go ahead, please.
Yeah. So only once you are able to download this, it will be in the downloads folder. So then we have to follow the third step, that is
University Edition.oba file and click Open. Click Next. In the Appliance Settings window, click Import. Now you need to share your My Folders folder with VirtualBox. In VirtualBox, select the SAS University Edition vApp. Select Machine, Settings. In the navigation pane, select Shared Folders, and then click the Add Folder icon. In the Add Share window, select Other as the folder path. In the Select Folder window, open the SAS University Edition folder, and then select the My Folders subfolder. Click Select Folder. In the Add Share window, confirm that Read Only is not selected. Select Auto Mount. If Make Permanent is available, select that option as well and click OK. Click OK to close the settings window.
Okay. Yeah, please try to follow these steps.
If you find any difficulties,
we'll discuss. We'll discuss tomorrow. No issues.
Because after the downloading only we can move further, because programming point we will do in this only.
Yeah. So I mostly at this stage you will have to create a profile. Once you create a profile, you need to then log in. Once you log in, you can click on the link in the email, which will bring you to this step. Yeah. So Mishra, sir, you're okay. Niharika is also using. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Niharika is also using Mac.
Niharika, are you trying to download right now? You find any issues?
Yeah, so what we can do is we can just try these steps, and we can try these with these videos as well. And after the class, within half an hour, my team will upload the video for your use, like the class video. So you can use this also for Dr. Tarun and Ashok's instructions. And then you can go ahead with that. You can try at home, and if it is creating any problem, if you are facing any problem, we can definitely discuss and clarify in the next class.
Yes.
Yeah, so anything remaining for today's class, guys?
No, I think I think
You ready to start SAS?
Only after step 3 we'll be able to use the software. Let's finish this video also. It's just 1 minute.
University Edition. You must perform the next set of steps each time you want to use SAS University Edition. First, start the SAS University Edition vApp. Open VirtualBox and select the SAS University Edition vApp. Then select Machine, Start. It might take a few minutes for the virtual machine to start. When the virtual machine is running, the screen with the SAS logo is replaced with a black console screen called the Welcome window. This Welcome window contains information about starting SAS University Edition and includes a URL. You can minimize the window, but don't close it until you're ready to end your SAS session. Now you're ready to open SAS University Edition. Using a web browser on your local computer, enter the URL that's displayed in the Welcome console, http://localhost SAS:*10080. The SAS University Edition Information Center appeared. You might want to bookmark this URL in your browser. One last thing to do. Just click Start SAS Studio.
Okay. So basically, we need to keep the virtual box open as long as we are using the SAS on the browser. Okay. So I think that will be all for today's session.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Ashok.
So guys, by tomorrow you should
By this,
get it down laptops. In case of like you are facing any problem, we will resolve it. Otherwise, I think you may not have the problem, and I hope tomorrow in the class we all will be using our university version, and we'll be enjoying the SAS.
Okay. After you download today, we will start from tomorrow onwards. If everyone downloaded the university edition, try to do today. If not, tomorrow by before the start of the session, tomorrow session, so that we will start our introductory class. I will go through what are the things that will be contributing into this introductory class. We are having a lot of things to do in coming days also. We can enjoy SAS, I can say surely. Starting it will be like new, but eventually we will enjoy each and every second. And also,
I'm very excited to learn that. Really excited to learn. You also, should take it enthusiastically and should learn it, because this is something really, good for the career. And, in your future, definitely somewhere, if you are working with WHO, or if you are working with NIH, USA, or if you are working with, UK or USA somewhere, or in India also, if you are working with government of India, you will definitely need, the knowledge of base SAS, or at least SAS information is very much important. So just give some time, give some concentration on classes, and after that for some practice time, and you'll be learning it.
Yes, yes, Ajit. If they have any doubts, they can ask us related to anything, not particularly SAS, but anything.
Anything like a timing point of view or anything. If they want to reschedule the timings or any other issues, queries, anything they can ask openly.
That's why we create the group. They can discuss anything there with us.
Yeah. We are having doubt regarding that also. We can discuss now. We'll give a couple of minutes for them, open ground, so that they can share anything. Tomorrow I will show all the windows, how the functionalities of the SAS, and also everything. I will show the programming point of view, everything. We will discuss from tomorrow onwards, because today it's, I think, first class only. I just don't need to take much more time.
Yeah. Any doubts, guys? Please, you can, or if you want to share anything, please come forward.
And tomorrow's class will be, guys, at 4 to 6 on every Sundays. We want to consume your evening time, like 6 to 8 or 7 to 8 or 7 to 9, because Sunday we all are almost free and we can do it 4 to 6. But in Saturdays, few of us are having offices, and you have work schedules, daily work schedules, so it will be tough. That's why we kept it 6 to 8. And I asked even every one of you in the group. So I think you are happy with these timings. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you have any suggestions, you can just, come forward, guys.
If you don't understand, also you can raise the questions. We can say twice or twice until you get the concept well to you, because we will go slowly only. It's not in a hurry because our motto is to teach 100%, and the student who is learning from also, he should get the same output from us, and also the inputs. That if you have a collaboration with us, like interaction, we'll be having more, so that we can go in depth conceptually. We can have more examples and we can have more discussion point of view. It will be helpful for you only.
Okay, there are some questions, Ashok sir, in the chat box.
Yeah, I have seen. Who Nikhil asked, and also Joseph Prince has asked that how is the career growth of clinical SAS programmer? Advanced SAS is required for clinical. Yeah, the base SAS is the foundation course we are giving, and advanced SAS is nothing but we will in the name only we are having the advanced, means it is advanced version of the base point, because in that we will be using macros and proc SQL point of view. The base SAS code only, but we will write in advanced step, that is. There the programming will reduce in the advanced SAS, because in base SAS if you write the code in 5 to 6 step, in advanced SAS we will write in 2 to 3 lines, like that only. By if you get the fundamentals of the base SAS only, we can learn the advanced SAS easily. So we started as a base SAS only. After that, we eventually will be going into the base SAS also in the next. What is the major difference between clinical SAS base and advanced? This clinical SAS is nothing but the application of a SAS base only. As I initially in the starting only I have said, major difference is nothing but both the similarities, both the same. Here we will write in advanced point of view. The SAS code what we are writing in base, that will be writing in advanced point of view. Here the coding and the execution process will be less in advanced SAS, because here we are using macros point and also the SQL point. The code length, the code what we are writing in base SAS will be huge, and the code what we are writing in advanced SAS in SQL will be less. And compared to base SAS, advanced SAS process time or execution point of time is less when compared to the base SAS. That's the difference between the base SAS and advanced SAS. In base SAS, we will cover all the basic fundamentals. Advanced SAS is the macros and SQL. Both the combination is nothing but advanced SAS.
Yeah, so if a student is perfect in SAS base, he can use this knowledge and he can go into various fields, not just the clinical field. For example, SAS is having applications in fields like insurance, automobile industry, right? Banking, right? So these are the various sectors where SAS is used.
Here, the first basic concept is if you get the base SAS, you can survive in these fields.
Yeah. Our focus is
clinical point. If you can learn base SAS, you can survive. But advanced SAS is an added advantage to you, because the code, as I said, the code will be very short there. That helps. Any other questions rather than this?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Timing of the classes, sir, like 4 to 6 or 5.
What do you suggest?
Sir, actually 4 to 6, sir.
During the Saturday
It's
also?
better. On Saturday means okay, sir. On Saturday or any other day, 4 to 6 is good, sir. At evening times.
Actually, on Saturdays we are scheduling from 6 to 8, and Sundays 4 to 6.
Yeah, so you want the Saturday also to be 4 to 6?
Yeah, sir.
Are you an intern or graduated?
Intern, sir.
Okay. What is your name?
No, actually, Tarun, her problem was that Ramjans are starting very soon. So she will be busy from 6 to 7. And Sabha, actually, I have discussed with your fellow course mates. So the thing
Yes,
is
sir.
that few of them are getting relieved from their work by 5 only.
Okay, sir.
That is the problem. So if the guys also give some suggestions, we have no problem to shift that timings also. I mean, I
Because
don't mind.
this is the starting days only. We can adjust.
We can.
Yeah. Actually, she told me in the morning only, and I have discussed with the few almost more than half. So they're like, "Yes, sir, we are getting relieved from the work by 5 only, so 4 we cannot start at all." So that's why that was the reason.
Okay, sir.
If that is the case, is it okay if we start at 7 o'clock?
Yeah, sir, it's okay, sir. After 7 minutes, sir.
Yeah,
But other also there, sir, in group. If they are okay, then it's good,
Yeah,
sir.
we will ask them also. They will share their views in the group.
we
Yeah,
will,
sir.
We will finalize.
Yes, yes.
we'll start at 7.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
Saturday 7 to 9, Saturday 7 to 9, and Sunday 4 to 6, right?
yeah, sir. Okay.
Okay, if everyone is happy, then I have no problem, and we will be like, we have no problem.
Yeah.
We will discuss that thing in group, Dr. Tarun and Ashok, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay, chalo, take care, guys. Bye, good night, and yes,
Okay,
learn
guys.
it well.
Thank you, everyone. Have a
Okay,
nice,
Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
have a nice weekend.